Hello and welcome. In this video we will present our cognitive test EDINT, by Carlos Yuste and David Yuste, experts in psychometrics and in the study and measurement of intelligence. In their professional career, the BADIG test stands out as one of the most widely used cognitive tests. Their knowledge, experience and professional evolution are collected in EDINT test, which is their crowning achievement. But what is EDINT? It is a test that measures a set of mental abilities that reflect the structure of intelligence. It is available for students from 3 years old to 20 years old. And it has a duration of 40 minutes. In this screen you can see the 3 hierarchical levels of this structure. At the first level we have the general intelligence with the IQ range and other factors such as efficiency, speed, and speed of processing which give us information about the cognitive profile of the student. At the second level we have the reasoning, verbal, numerical and visuospatial factors, which are obtained through the following tests: verbal analogies, numerical series, logical matrix, closing of meaning, numerical problems and twists and fits of figures. Next, let's take a look at what the test looks like on the inside. We start the test and the first thing we are asked to do is to fill in the date of birth. Once the student fills in this information, the platform assigns both the corresponding level and the scale appropriate to his or her level. Click on the next button and the 6 tests that the student will complete will appear. We make sure and verify the data given. This is a completely self-guided process. The instructions to be given by the applicator will be minimal, since, as you can see, everything will appear in the screen. All activities start with 2 examples to ensure understanding of the exercise. During the examples you get feedback on both successes and errors. As an example, on this occasion we are going to fail. We can see that we are shown the number of attempts we have. Let's try again. And now that we have made sure that the student has understood the test, he or she can start the exercise. Again, instructions are given about the time and the number of questions he or she will have to complete. In this top bar you will always have all the necessary information: number of items you are in, number of remaining items, name of the student, countdown of the total time you have to perform this test and the time you have to perform each item. And so he or she will consecutively perform the 6 tests. Let's see the reports. If we follow our toolbar on the left-hand side, we can see the tracking panel which allows us to verify the students who have taken the test. We have a documentation tab where we have uploaded the manuals and the most relevant information regarding the test, only in Spanish. We have a results dashboard where we can see the information processed at group level. The technical report that gives us information about the general factors, specific tests and also about the general intelligence and IQ range. This is the only report where we can see this specific information. We also have information on the speed and efficiency indicators. The scores are presented in direct scores and percentiles. And in addition the counselor can have statistical information on the scale so that he or she can interpret with more information. The following is the most descriptive part, which explains each of the indicators and the performance obtained by the student in each of the quizzes. The counselor can also obtain a view of the correction of the manual as if he or she were correcting the test manually. Information regarding the date and time of the start and end of the test, correct answers, failures and omissions is available. There is also information on whether the student has made mistakes in the examples, and the average response time, the total time spent and the total time available for the quiz taken. Finally, you can see in detail the successes and errors in each item as well as the time used to give the answer. You get this information for all 6 quizzes and you will also have a notes tab where you can include public notes or private or internal notes. We also have a report to families, something simpler to make it more understandable where we have the same information about general and specific factors, speed and efficiency. But as you can see, there is no information shown about the first level, the general intelligence rating or the IQ range. Likewise, the statistical information has also been simplified to make it easier to understand. And in the descriptive part the language also appears adjusted with the same objective. For more information, please do not hesitate to contact us.